this is the install guide for an Arctic Cat Catalyst 129 for the One Rig Ice Scratcher, and this applies to 2025 model year Arctic Cat sleds. The 2024 is a different rail profile than you see here. So the first thing you're going to do is take your outside mounting bracket. It's going to look like this. It's going to go in this slot right here. Take your 3/8 bolt and with your washer and your retaining plug, put that on. Drop this into your ice scratcher. Put your ice scratcher through the hole. Then you can insert it into the rail like that. Take your backing plate, looks like this. Put that on the inside. Take your 3/8 lock nut and start the threads by hand. Once those threads are started, you're going to take a 9/16 box wrench, put that on the inside, and then a 9/16 socket on the outside, and snug it all up. Make sure there's no wiggle room between the mounts and the rail. And then give your scratcher a good tug, twist, bend. And you want to make sure the scratcher is pointing more or less straight down. Maybe a little bit towards the rear is fine as well. You don't want it to be pointing forward when it's at rest. You want it to be here to here, somewhere in there. And if you're too far back here, you can reposition the mounting bracket and tighten it down again, and it'll walk itself forward. So we have the ice scratcher installed. Now we're going to need to install our storage bracket. They're going to look like this, and they're going to go in these two slots here. There'll be one on each side. So your kit's going to come with 4 of these brackets. Then you'll install the 1/4 inch hardware into the 2 unthreaded holes. On the back side, you'll put your lock nuts, start the threads by hand once again. And then you'll take a 4mm Allen and an 11mm box wrench. Tighten one bolt so it starts to snug down, then to switch over to the other bolt. Make sure that's nice and snug on both sides. Then we can take the J-hook and install that. I'm going to go in the most rear hole. Thread it in by hand as far as it'll go. About there. Then you can tighten down that nut and use a 13mm wrench. And once that's tightened down, you can take your scratcher and just like that, you are good to go.